Hello, Jimmy. How are you doing?
Here she is. How are you?
How are you? Ooh, how was your day?
Yeah, good, good.
Good.
Ready to make some money and enjoy the S&P with you today.
Yeah, finally. I also look forward trading Asian session because so far gold looks a little bit like consolidating here, right?
Mm. Yeah, I've got a sort of buy zone down here, around 4,300, sort of 4,305. So I'm
Yeah,
hoping it'll come down here,
sounds
show
good.
signs of rejection, then I'll buy it up. Just But in saying that, it could just take off here. But it is Tuesday. Usually Tuesday, China manipulates it a bit. So here we go, 5 seconds. But how you been? You been good?
Yeah, everything good. I just woke up very early
No.
yesterday and then I was very tired. Okay, it opened and is absorbing a little bit like sales, I think, around here. So, okay, like maybe we are going to buy if this zone it gets accepted above here. Let's see.
Okay.
Like if we get inverted this gap, that would be nice because I think that these highs they need to be taken. Look at that. Ugly. Ugly highs, right? But how are the other things looking? Like DXY is the open gap up, but now is cooling a little, and oil is also cooling.
Oil's down a bit. Did it fill its gap in yesterday? Oil still hasn't filled its gap from yesterday.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
But
Yeah, usually Tuesday it tries to manipulate, right?
yeah, Tuesday and Wednesday, especially during China hour, there's usually a manipulation somewhere that like you want with volume.
And we have also CPI and PPI tomorrow, I think, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be a big week.
Big week
I hope
ahead.
this doesn't take off. I want it to come down. I want it to come down a bit more.
You know, when China buys, it's a good sign. I think for the day when the Asian session is bullish. Yeah, let's see. Let's put this white. Let's get this right. Yeah.
Yeah, I want this to come down a long way.
But so far, it's not accepting above the value here, so we don't have to get so excited. The only thing I see is that these are poor highs here. So usually it will come to repair this, I think, at some point. But the problem is that if the dollar keeps popping up, it's not such a good sign, though. And here we have a triangle, right? A triangle. Like yesterday, gold respected very good that trend line it is doing so far around here. Oh, it was a good buy this yesterday morning. I was glad. But I should have waited. It's always better to wait until the Shanghai opens, right? But I like when the day opens like yesterday, that even before Shanghai we had like a big move up. That was perfect for selling.
Yeah, Mondays you generally just get massive moves.
It's
obviously
good.
From Tokyo moves around a lot.
I think like at the moment, like the playbook should be more like that we have to wait until we get out of here and pop up, or actually starts building value.
To be honest, my success rate is better when I wait. If I start like buying here and stuff, I usually get wiped out. So I'll just sit back.
Wait. Yeah, that's good.
Need the Fran patience,
I mean, I try with the time I learn, like, the more I trade, the less I want to press the button. Because I know that that
you're
screws
more patient
you.
than me. You're very
Really?
patient.
Oh.
You're very good at it.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm
like
very impatient.
Impulsive trading is the worst, right?
Yeah, on a 1 minute chart, it is so impulsive, like to take trades.
Like for me, the 1 minute is good to know to see patterns. Like I can see what the price is doing. But for example, in the 30-minute or 50-minute, it's also less noisy. If you see like a good engulfing candle in the 50-minute, then it's nice. Then like you have like more. I feel more confident. But yeah, in the 1 minute, for me, it's easier to notice the patterns. I mean, what happened yesterday? After this move up, then I saw that this was lost here. There was a change in the trend. So it was time for a reversal there. Yeah, but when I have been the less impulsive or the more impulsive is when I lose. So I don't like to be impulsive. Now you teach me so good about like that we have to pay attention to Shanghai Open. And I didn't know that before. I knew that there was some volume coming up. What I also noticed that there is a volume coming up at 11:30 India time. I don't know what time is that now. 11:30.
11:30.
Indian.
11:30 New York time.
Indian Standard Time. What time is that?
Oh, okay.
2 a.m. here, so it will
I
be.
generally just use the New York time. So what time is that?
2 a.m. New York.
2 a.m. Yes.
Like before.
2 a.m. 3 a.m. New York. I see some explosive moves.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, I think now.
Yes.
Oh, should we get in? Yeah, let's get in. Let's see. I'm gonna get in and buy with a stop below this low. But I don't like it so much. The range is so poor. Okay, let's go. Let's get in.
Order filled.
And let's target the highs.
Order placed.
Okay.
Order cancelled.
I'm gonna send the signal in the group. Oh, now I have to send it also in the other group. They should be. I wanted to ask Tamas if I can share like the live stream in the group. 26. 4, 3, 14. Okay, I think that's fine. Yeah, it's not such a big stop loss either. But I see these highs and they look very good for a target. Yeah, we should have get in a little before because there was like absorption of the sellers. But so far we are above the VWAP and it looks okay. This is also the place I was looking to. Yeah, I was looking that maybe 4,300 is also okay to buy. Yeah, there is a order block around below there. Yeah. Okay, let's go. But at least the dollar is going down a bit, closing that gap. But bonds are going up. That's not good. And oil going down. Come on. Give us the gift. Yeah. Send it. Do it.
Send it, she says.
I'm gonna send the game plan for the group in the chat. Very easy game plan. Yeah, but for me it's way easier that I can like live stream, because then I don't have to write the entries in the alpha community. Sometimes it takes time and the movie is gone.
Well, you don't have to always write it now, but means.
Yeah. Today there are no news, right? No news.
No news.
Yeah, the problem is the yields that are going up a little, right? Mm-hmm. But I think the main problem with everything is that the war, like these guys, they say, okay, we are in talks, and then no talks, and then Bloomberg. Market data. I think, I don't know why it says, but this opens in 17 minutes. This is the Shanghai stock exchange. So it should be that the stock Shanghai opens in 17 minutes.
Oh, does it?
This market, the Shanghai Hang Seng, opens in 17 minutes.
Oh, that's Hong Kong. That's Hong Kong.
Ah.
I'm pretty sure that's.
But that's the one we always look, right?
Yeah, I'll have a look. I'm pretty sure that's the Hong Kong market, but I'll have a look in a sec. Hang on.
Yeah, it opens in 17 minutes, so I guess that's when like more volume comes. At least these fair value gaps are holding. Mm-hmm. The dollar, that's it, go down. Yahoo! I'm going to change you the screen so you can see what's happening. Yeah, we need to get above this. Come on. So let's see if in 17 minutes it comes the volume. So 9:30 in 15 minutes. But you see this, Jimmy? Here?
Yeah.
So these are like too many cells at the low part, and they
They're trapped, are they? Yeah.
I mean, they got absorbed.
Okay.
So that when you see that, that's good sign for like a little push. Let's go. But now Bitcoin looks weak again. It got like a little rebound from 60,000, but then now the spot is not buying anymore. I think there were a lot of interested for 60,000, like investors, like people buying real Bitcoins at 60,000. But the cycle says that we are not gonna get in the bottom until October. There we go. Send it, guys. Yahoo! Now the dollar just have to go down. It just continue to drop. Let's go. Yoo-hoo! Boom. Now.
Nice. Let's keep going, girl. Let's go.
Let's go. Here, like we had like a good buy here inside the candle. Like that's good sign. But it has to close. Yeah, let's go. The only thing that is not good, I think, is to see that the bonds are going up so much yet. But the bond market opens every day at what time? 19, 17. So it opens at 2 hours after market open. Yesterday it opened at 8, gap up, and then it went down. Let's go. Okay, I didn't put take profit, but take profit is 4,346.
I just wanted to take this high out of here. Is it 330 there?
4,360. And but I feel that there is like less volume than yesterday. Let me see the numbers.
Yeah, Monday's always pretty wild. Sunday night.
Especially after like the weekend we had, like I think on Sunday they were bombing a lot. Okay, so this was like 300, 400, and here yesterday. 400. Yeah, that's why I'm going to look the 5 minutes. The 1 minute is too noisy. At least we inverted this fair value up here. But didn't close this one. And we are above the weekly VWAP. This is the weekly VWAP. Maybe I should put some nice relaxed music. I have more fun, and then the candles, they go with like good vibes. Then the take profit is hit. The only problem, I have to choose something that they doesn't have like copyrights.
Are you on YouTube again?
Yeah, I am. Some people from the alpha was looking, and then they asked me, why you are not doing anymore? Like on Friday, when I woke up, I was in pajama the whole morning because I woke up so late, and then I jump in the computer. I cannot be. You had one guy you sent me that is from Australia, who also does volume profile analysis, right?
It,
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Take it. I mean, those equal highs that are there at 4,345, they are too good.
whoa.
I told you, the music is magic. Okay.
No, I think it's you. You're the magic one.
the magic music.
No, it's you, Frank.
No, you think? It's you. I said it's you.
No.
Of course you. It's the team energy. Yeah, in the TPO, it says that here we have poor highs, so they need to be repaired.
I just hope this is not manipulation to go down. That's all. It's the only thing I question, because we've just taken out the high, so it's all I worry about.
You can move stop loss to break even if you want. But look at these highs from yesterday.
Yeah.
And then yesterday, well, actually now we left poor lows, so probably comes back down. But poor highs here, poor highs here. Maybe if price comes here, 4,390, maybe could reject from there. But there are too many poor highs above. And I think when actually you have such a big move, especially for a new event like Friday, price comes back to...
Well, yeah, there's a lot of imbalance of it. So
Yeah. And it makes sense that we come back to repair this. I mean, to value, you know, to balance.
Yeah.
But the only chance I think that it continue to go down is that it spends a lot of time here, like next week, this week, like it doesn't move, and then we could say like we are going lower.
We've got a lot of news this week, so we'll definitely be getting a move.
But if we get the ceasefire, that would be nice. But I'm sure that when Trump see the yields at this point so high, they are not happy with that. That's unsustainable. They have been just ripping up. I like that we are above VWAP. And in 5 minutes, Shanghai opens.
And then we're above your SMAs.
Above? The SMAs, yeah.
Yeah. Come on, boys, come back in. Come on, gobble up, gobble, gobble, gobble.
Let's go. You see here some sellers were trying to push.
Yeah, because we come in the bottom of the hour, so
Ah.
sometimes you get reversals on the halfway through the second hour, so yeah, around about this time, but the trend is still up. I don't want this to come down. I know there's a trader in Australia who makes a lot of money using reversals at this time of the hour.
Nice.
Yeah, he's got a YouTube channel and everything. Yeah.
There are many traders in Australia.
Really?
I think so.
I've barely met any of them.
RP and you, I know.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
I can't believe he stays up. Wait, I'm like...
And
funny.
oh, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna say like
Nice.
we can move stop loss to break even there, just in case.
I'm taking some profit every...
That sounds good. You can take some. Alright.
But friend, this is all you, man. Great call.
No,
Great call.
it's together. I think you were also looking for buys.
No, I'm always skeptical, mate. You know what I mean? Like, I always hesitate pulling the trigger when you're like, okay, I'm getting in. Then I clicked.
But-
I was actually getting the sales too because I thought it was going to reverse, but you stuck with it.
It's just
You're
that.
very patient. You held it. Well done.
Well done. Yeah, it was good. I mean, but yesterday, for example, at the beginning, we were weakening a little bit, right? I think I sent it there.
Yeah.
And there starts weakening, but then okay, I say, you know, at the end, I don't think it's gonna continue to go up after such a move. Nice candle.
Yeah. But today, like we actually entered in at the high of the candle, which I was like, oh, I hate entering at high of the candles, you know, because it always reverses to come lower to get back up. Oh, let's go. Beautiful. Let's
Oh,
go.
that's a
Let's
nice
keep
candle.
going.
Right?
Not a nice candle, it's a beautiful candle.
Yeah.
But I'm looking for the S&P, mate. I'm looking for the S&P
Today,
Yeah.
New Year session is gonna be amazing.
Yes. Yes. I was hanging out in the Pakistani group yesterday because you weren't on, and yeah.
Ah, how was it?
Yeah. It's not as fun than with you guys. So
That's cool. Well, I guess Chalk, he uses a volume profile. That's what I know.
who?
A Chalk for his analysis.
Oh yeah, he does. Yeah. But see, the thing is, like, the Pakistani guys I hang out with is one. He's only 21 years old.
Wow.
He's
Yeah.
probably the best trader I've ever met. He's
Wow.
so good.
And the
And
sniper
he
sniper
had the exact
entries.
same buy zone. Yeah, him. Yeah. So
Wow.
I'm gonna download some of these videos. So
Yeah, that would be nice to see how like other good traders. I know also some other good traders, but they are the whole day trading. Like you can have like 10 setups, and
Yeah.
for me that's like a lot. It's too much to follow.
But he does zones like short, but like he's really good.
That's
short's really good as well. But yeah, yesterday they did both the same buy zone, and I'm like, but we didn't come down to tap it down to 300. So I was waiting all night because the Pakistani guy said, yeah, I'll be buying at 4,300 and short at a buy zone down there as well. And I'm like,
I
please come
didn't
down
see.
and get it.
Where did he had the buy yesterday? Chalk.
Between 43.05 and 42.97
Ah,
on the spot.
perfect.
So, yeah, and the Pakistani guy had a buy zone there as well, and I'm like, man, if this comes down, we are cooking, yeah.
Yeah, we are cooking.
But, yeah.
Sounds good.
So with the S&P 500, you sort of wait for like 10 o'clock, right? So you sort of let the first
Yeah.
half hour play out.
Yeah,
stuff
because
like
I
that.
think the
Yeah,
first
okay.
hour is always it usually we get a week a liquidity sweep, so it should be yesterday. At what time it
Oh, did
opened?
you see that US 30? Exactly
No.
what I predicted.
Wow. Yeah, I had the alarm sounding the whole day yesterday when it opened. How
Yeah,
was it?
And yesterday it literally reversed and went back up right from that demand zone.
Amazing.
And I was like,
Congratulations.
Yeah.
From here. Wow. Well done, Jimmy.
But yeah.
And it's holding, but
That's just imbalance and demand and supply off there, yeah. So, like, I'll keep watching it. If I
It's
start
just-
getting a bit of confidence with it, I'll... Yeah, go.
it's just that I read that actually, like, when you had good jobs data like we had, like, the market should react okay, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, for S&P 500 and stocks, it's a positive thing that there is job and people is employed, I think.
No, but that's inflationary though. You actually want the unemployment rate to come up a bit. So the US jobs market is so strong. So that's why the sell-off was on Friday, because investors were pricing in a rate hike. So
Okay, we are doing well, right?
yes, we are doing well.
I hope someone is in from the live stream. A ver, where are they? Let's keep on going with sync up on gold. Nico, that's good that you're in. It's much better to trade with friends.
Yeah. Yeah, nice people, you know?
Yeah.
Because trading's a very lonely business.
Yeah.
Very lonely.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, that actually to have a good community, for me at least, it helps me so much because I have a lot of fun, you know? It's not that I am alone working in the computer.
And then unfortunately you're going back to Europe in a couple of weeks, and
But that,
you know,
I'm gonna be
I'm not
trading
looking forward to
London.
that.
London and New
No,
York.
but you're not going to be here for Asia.
Yeah,
I need
that's
you
the
here for
point.
Asia.
I'm gonna miss it. But maybe sometimes I'm gonna be there. No, but it's too early in England.
How long you in Europe for?
Don't know. We rent a very nice apartment this time, so I am happy. My brother is coming also.
Give me.
You can come.
Oh, okay.
You have
I wanted to speak to your boyfriend and say, man, you need to go to Thailand. Like,
you know, he loves
Don't
Thailand.
worry about working. Friend's gonna make all the money trading.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah, we're gonna have a good time.
He's happy, I think, with that. Then he takes care of the shopping and cooking, which I don't like. Does your wife?
If you're in Thailand, you won't be trading the US, right?
Nah, but I think I was doing the beginning, right? In Sri Lanka was actually better because it's 2 hours less, so I could do a little bit of Asian session and then. Okay, what do we do? How are we? I'm gonna trade my stop loss because I want that we take those highs. Actually, that's the target. Let's go, gold. Don't disappoint. Yeah, that's why here I wanted to go break even because we have this bearish fair value gap, but it's still going. It's okay. I like that Asian session open positive and the dollar is going down. And you see, I told you yesterday to include the balance volume, which is like there was a divergence here yesterday. Like price
Yeah,
starts.
I had it on my chart and I couldn't really make sense of it. So, I can't see it because you've got your order flow up.
Oh, yeah, right. Okay. But I'm going to include one class because this indicator is amazing.
I mean, you have so many indicators. I get
So,
confused.
no, but I don't, well, it's just they are all based in volume. It's like the same. But you can see like volume 3D, 2D. When you have the candles with the volume, and that's also... They are trying to push it. It's crazy how these fair value gaps they work.
Order placed. Order cancelled.
Order placed.
No, I moved stop loss to break even a little higher. I don't want that this thing goes down. The target are those poor highs that we have here, guys. These highs.
And don't forget, it's important to go outside and touch some grass after this session, okay?
Of course, you have to. I have to sleep early. Today, yesterday was like I woke up. I mean, yeah, today actually for me, I woke up too early.
Yeah. And don't stay on too long.
I made the mistake of also drinking espresso after lunch with my family on Sunday.
Hey.
It's so nice to have espresso for after lunch.
Yeah.
But then I couldn't sleep. Yeah, I mean, where you live must be so nice to be in the farm. You have a lot of green.
I'll give you a video.
Yeah, send
I'll
me
send
some
you a video.
picture, please. Also, when you are in the truck.
Two of the guys. No, I'll send you a video. This is the place before we bought it. So this is 10 years ago, but this is essentially the farm. It's a YouTube. Because a few of the guys were asking about it yesterday. One sec.
There it goes. The dollar keeps dropping.
I'll send it to you on. Oh, by the way, you got someone impersonating you too. Someone added me as you yesterday, and I'm like, hi. On
Who?
Discord.
What happened?
Some scammer added me with your profile.
Ah,
and we were
yes.
talking,
Someone
and,
told me in Discord, right?
Yeah. And
What?
I was talking to him, and I'm like, I kept telling, it was the scammer, I kept saying I'm gay, I'm gay, and they just kept ignoring it. And we were talking about trading, and I'm like, I knew it wasn't you, but I just wasted so much time with it,
You were teasing him.
I was just doing all this stupid shit with it.
And what should I do with this kind
And
of
I think he
people?
was getting frustrated.
Huh?
Yeah. I'll send the link. There's a YouTube video there. So.
You should like denounce, right? I think report. I think Hardik
Yeah, I did.
also he reported. They try to impersonate us. It must be maybe the alpha community, the guy, and then they try to get your.
Yeah, got into it.
Let's go. It's just those highs, they look too juicy, too good, and we are too close. We just need a massive candle and then a reversal. And maybe that's what's going to happen. We get a sweep of the 4,346 and maybe it reverses. Or if it sweeps previous day high, that could be also a reversal point. But I don't know, because the dollar is dropping quite a bit. It looks good. How is the dollar, by the way? Yesterday, oh wow.
There was the Pakistani guy said he was looking at the US dollar yesterday, and he said he had a big zone at 100.20, and the DXY hit there and reversed. And he said, "Man, it's going to come all the way back down."
You think?
And yeah, it has.
That would be great for gold.
Yes, it would be.
Because yeah, I mean,
See, I wanted gold to come down for.
but this looks actually bearish in the dollar because this zone, this is the daily time frame, right? So this
I can't
zone.
see.
You are not looking.
Got
Okay.
your, yeah.
How do I change the screen? Anyways,
You need more screens.
in the daily, yeah, no, it's just that with you in Telegram, I can only share one screen, or like, because I have one big screen for the chart and this other one with the computer. They are trying to push it down, so I'm thinking to take some profit there, but I don't want boring. Let's see. But yeah, the dollar is
Oh, I
consolidating.
just got to run on break even.
You think? Oh, or take some. You took some profit already, right?
Yeah, I've just got a runner on now, so I'm just gonna leave it.
But maybe not. Maybe this candle reverses and then it drops the sellers there. That could also be. Anyways, the dollar consolidating below this zone is actually, I think, could continue to drop if it doesn't reclaim higher.
You know what frustrates me sometimes in Asia? Like, if this is a reversal, right? Like, the volume's actually dropping off. You can see it on your
This one?
tape bars as well. Like, the volume's literally dropping, and it'll do a reversal. But I find that frustrating sometimes.
Yeah,
Because volume dropping indicates like it's a continuation. So it's weird.
Yeah, could be. And also that these buys, like the buyers, they lose the strength here, right? So could be, but it's also sometimes we get bearish too soon and then it makes a big candle, takes these highs, and then it could be good. But because in the 5 minute,
we're having another attack.
you see, they got trapped there. Let's go.
Damn, I wish I didn't take profit. Oh,
What happened?
nothing.
It's the stressing market.
I was just relaxing in the chair.
Okay. Yesterday, actually, I thought that the move was gonna be better, but like this, it didn't actually reclaim the value area low from Friday. So I think this is the line in the sand to get like further continuation up. Let's go. We just need a little more to take these highs. But actually, Shanghai.
Oh, yeah, I sent that video to
What?
on your Telegram. I DM'd you that YouTube link. That's my place.
At least the dollar keeps dropping nicely. And that's what I like. Because so far this month, I think the dollar has been very strong and that's what's pushing gold so low.
Yeah, the Hang Seng's Hong Kong, so it's not Shanghai.
It opened 15 minutes ago, right?
So the Shanghai index is the SSE. So China has a separate one for Hong Kong.
Ah. Yeah, because it's a different market. It's a closed, different thing, right?
Yeah.
It's almost like one country, Shanghai.
Yeah, so China has 5 actual time zones in there, but they only have one time, so they don't respect the time zone. So
I have to send the game plan to the group because Cloud has been helping me so much to make some videos.
who?
Cloud. Cloud coin.
Cloud. What's Cloud?
Cloud. You know this AI app software?
Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah.
That one.
That's how you make your videos. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, I thought you meant it was a person. You know.
No, but I mean the background, like the stories. I mean,
Yeah,
airs.
okay. Yeah, that looks pretty.
I place the topic and I write a lot, like some things, but it just makes it better, you know, perfect it makes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we seem to be developing value here, so the question is, will we continue up, or is this a reversal here?
But this 15-minute candle looks nice though. That's the point.
Really? That's good.
This 30-minute
There's a
or
lot of wicks up here.
no, the
If the
15
15-minute, this is the third candle with a wick on it.
yeah, you're right.
Unless this reverses and goes up in 10 minutes.
That would be nice. I mean, we have to take these highs.
Which highs are you aiming for?
These ones. These are the poor highs we have.
We're at
4,000.
346,
These ones.
34.
3, 4, 3, 4, 6.
I can't see.
4, 3, 4, 6. And
Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. You heard it right, ladies and gentlemen. Fran said
we have to.
Let's see if we get up there.
We have to get there somehow.
You have to get there, she says.
And then maybe
My
reverse.
experience with her, she's generally right.
How many pips is that? 200. But the range looks very, very miserable. I will say, if we come down and sweep these lows and make something like that, then it's also like a buy entry. This, if I don't see it and it happens something like this, that could be nice. Va. Yeah, I don't care to take profit now because if it takes me out, I'm fine. I don't lose. But without taking those highs, that would be a boring. Like, I prefer to wait. I think it still has some more room.
Well, like I just said before, I think we're developing value here, so...
Yeah, could be that.
So
yeah. Because
so I reckon we could, get enough push up here, yeah. But those 15-minute wicks on the upside do scare me, that's all.
But this 15-minute engulfing candle looks nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
15-minute candle needs to close bullish. 7 minutes. Keep it going, ladies and gentlemen. Stand by.
Let's go. We need a big volume candle and then it can reverse, no problem. We need to take profit.
Yeah, 100 pip volume candle. Let's go.
We need some Trump tweet. Like, I cannot forget. Like, I think like 1 month ago, it was very early in the morning, and then I start looking at the charts, and I was just waking up, you know, so you are very quiet in the morning. But then I said, this doesn't look good. Like, for example, gold was selling a lot, I remember, and everybody was selling, and then I said, like, okay, let's buy now because this looks like a reversal. For example, we got like an inverted fair value gap, we were too oversold or something, and then Trump makes a tweet and we got like a 500 pip candle, and I woke up screaming. It was so funny. That's the best. I never wake up like that, like with such an adrenaline before. I was like, yeah! So funny. I was like, thank you, Trump.
Yeah, thanks for nothing, Trump.
Yeah, thank you for like ruining it, and then it goes up more.
Yeah.
What do you think is going to happen to this?
Well, with the war,
But
nothing.
this guy
I
looks.
don't reckon there'll be. Yeah.
I think wars are
There'll be no.
unsustainable. I think that this has to stop
Yeah,
soon.
but there'll be no resolution. I still think the Iranians will keep the Strait of Hormuz still blocked. So yeah, and Trump can't do anything about it. Like Tomas says, yeah.
What is Thomas
Yeah,
said?
nothing's gonna happen. He just pretty much thinks the same. Like this will just continue on like the Ukrainian war. It's just gonna be always like this. So,
Oh, can you imagine? That would be so terrible. Yeah, that Ukrainian war doesn't stop. Before we used to live in such a more beautiful world. Like before, it was not like this.
yeah. Yeah, I think COVID stuffed everything up.
Right?
Yeah.
So we need.
There's a big 1 minute candles here. So 4 minutes left for the hour. Let's see what happens.
We get the hourly now. Okay,
The hour's going to close
4,200.
heavily bullish. Heavily. I just hope it. Actually, I think the 4 hours closing. Yes, it is. Yeah, 4 hours closing.
This is either
1 hour.
acceptance below 4,280 if it gets too bad, the situation, or acceptance above 4,350. And then it would be nice if we start reclaiming like value area low from Friday. Yeah, 5 minutes. But that hour looks nice. Right?
Yeah, but still, like the next hour, it's got to come down and make some form of bottom wick. So we definitely have to come down a little bit. The question is how much.
Or it can go up a lot and then come down a lot. That's other option. But
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I'd rather it come down a little bit and then go up. So yeah.
But when we had such a
But-
when we had such a dip on Friday, for me looking for more lower, I don't feel so comfortable. I prefer to look for longs after such a dip than
Yeah. Well, that's
Or-
what I was looking for yesterday. What's the stuff?
yeah, when the market opened, it went up a lot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sometimes the easiest way is if you have a big bearish day, then you buy at the market open because it always goes up.
Come on, boys. Let's go. Show your face.
It's showing you.
Close on the high. Here we go. Come on. Let's go. Let's
Good,
go.
Timmy. You invoke it.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. Here we go. Come on, let's go. Okay, buyers coming back in. This is good. Come on, close up high in this 1 minute. Okay, nice 1 minute close. Come on, let's go, let's go.
Yay! Let's go. Can you imagine then we get a massive candle towards 4,400? That would be nice. Then we can
I'm
retire.
hoping we get up to, yeah.
Retire, but then we still have to come back for New Year's session for the S&P 500. That's gonna be
That's
fun.
it. S&P500. You gotta be here for it.
Yeah, I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna put the alarm. I swear I'm waking up. I'm tired of waking up too late. But I think I am sleeping too late sometimes. I sleep around like 2 or 1 and
well, why don't you just go to sleep soon? Get to sleep soon and then,
Yeah, we get out of here,
trade.
we take profit
Because
and
sometimes
then...
I see you, if you leave a trade on, I see you get up in the middle of the night to check it. I see you come online on Discord, so you're not sleeping properly.
Yeah, but sometimes, like last night I woke up, but it's okay. It's just I want to see what's happening. That's the thing.
Yeah.
The market doesn't
I'm
sleep.
the same too.
Right?
I'm the same.
You want to see.
Yeah. Like the weekend's the best time I get sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah, the market's closed, so...
That's why I don't want that actually they start trading 24 hours. But I don't think like big, like a lot of liquidity is gonna come anyways the weekend. Because I don't think that, for example, hedge funds or banks are gonna work during the weekend. So why, at the end it's gonna be thin, like
But
crypto.
if the liquidity's thin though, like retail can move it around a bit.
Yeah.
Like, say for example, so I think Nasdaq's going to be open, 24/7 soon in the next couple of months. So especially with these IPOs coming out.
Oh yeah.
Like SpaceX and
But
OpenAI and all that stuff. So yeah.
The valuation of SpaceX is insane.
Yes, I know. Scary.
Yeah.
The US are going to have to print more money to generate enough liquidity to buy all these shares in SpaceX,
Yeah, I don't know. Like, I'm worried. Like, poor Bitcoin. That's why Michael Saylor was saying that actually Bitcoin is like the one which is getting the most affected. Because it's like Thomas said, like high beta. That means that it's highly liquid. Like it's very easy to take the money out of crypto.
Yeah.
And there are some books that I'm looking. I want to include like in the risk management part because, for example, where is that? At the end they all tag like these pro investors. They all talk about the same, that risk is the most important part. That's it. Expected returns. It also talks about like risk, this one. Yeah. Okay, what's happening? 1 hour making a week.
I hope it's making a wick and not a reversal here, so yeah.
I hope so. We need to our target. Alright, let's see. It doesn't. It looks only like 1 hour week.
Your order flow has to see buys come back in somewhere around here.
Yeah. I like to see the big buys. Like here was perfect yesterday for a reversal. And this was Ah, this was evening. But there is this huge imbalance here. This one. So if price comes back down here, then this is a very likely place to rebound.
Yes, that's where I wanted to come down to today. I was gonna buy very heavy down there. Yeah.
Here.
That was my
This one.
strategy for today. Yes, exactly there. Even a little bit lower.
4,000. There.
Oh, that's on GC. Sorry, on on spot it's 4,300. 4,304, somewhere around there.
So it shows here 4,280, but it makes sense because if it starts accepting below here, then I think we go lower, which I don't think so. But our pullback towards this zone could be nice. Or 4,300 also, which is here. Because here when you have the this is the reversal, so and here you have a thin profile, so probably it shouldn't go down so much.
No, stop coming down.
Ay, ay, ay. No!
Damn.
Ah.
I hope this is a sweep.
It's never easy. Yeah, but if it comes back to 4,325 and it rebounds, that's also okay.
Up where it's at 4,307. We come down there, so I'll be looking to buy. Be looking for a rejection down there, and yeah.
Should have trained my stop. But yeah, I mean, this is 5 minutes of the 1 hour candle, so it makes sense that makes this.
I don't know. This could be the. My buyers they got to step in here if they're going to be around.
But this looks good. I mean, if this zone holds, because this is a cluster. Yeah. Get it. Get the rebound. Maybe meanwhile we can look the S&P 500.
No, I think it'll be time for you to go to bed soon, mate.
Yeah, I also want to go to bed. I'm tired. But nah, like I think I go in half an hour.
No. Go soon so you get up nice and early, refreshed.
Refresh, but we have to take profit. You manage my account, Jimmy.
No. I reckon we're coming down again. I just Let's see buyers kick in here. I reckon we'll be coming down to 4,300. The XY still negative, but oh, they're coming back in.
Yeah, I told
Nice.
you, Jimmy, we need to be faithful. Send it. Well, the S&P 500 was like a very nice dip, and it reacted perfect from this zone. I think for today is the same plan. If we get acceptance above previous day value, that will be nice for buys, and then we target those. But I think at least today the S&P 500 is gonna revisit this. Like now, I think this session is gonna go here. Definitely. Maybe it makes like that, and then New York session comes to take these lows. What a theme profile. This is a very theme profile from Friday. You can also do this one, Jimmy. You hide the candles and then you leave only the profiles.
I can't see it.
You're right. Now I remember. I mean, I reckon that this thing is gonna go high again.
We got 23 on the upside.
Yeah, I see. That is good.
Looks like it's trapped.
But it doesn't have.
Potentially trapped here. Let's see.
Could be. For example, these sellers were good position there. Yeah, but it could be potentially trapped there. And these guys trapped. I cannot see, when I put the 1 minute, I cannot see so much from previous days.
Did they have 3 minute on that?
Yeah. Look at those guys. They bought so good here in that week. Yeah, and this was last night. Yeah. And 80 is not a small number. Yeah, when you put the 1 minute, you see more.
Try the 3 minute. I'm just curious what it looks like.
I don't see it anymore.
You don't see 3 minute?
I don't see it. Do you see it? Maybe when I put minute 1.
Click that arrow.
No, it disappeared. I also thought I saw it. Look, Jimmy.
doesn't it drop down a menu when you click on that arrow? Yeah, click there. Is there an option there for 3 minutes if it
No,
drops down that
1,
menu?
5, 10, 15, 30.
Oh, damn.
I also
I
thought
love
I
3
saw
minute
it.
charts.
Renko. This is another kind.
Oh, don't look at Renko charts there. Look. Yeah, there you go.
Yuck, a lot of noise.
Yes. They're like range bars, but yeah. And they print, like, when there's a lot of volatility, they print very fast. So you wouldn't really see much.
And what happened? Let's put 30 seconds.
What? They got 30 seconds, but they haven't got 3 minutes.
This
What
is
the
for
hell?
scalpers.
That's silly.
And then you can have less than seconds. You can have 10 seconds for
Man, that'll fry your computer. That'll blow your computer up.
for maniac people, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but today is a day which looks like a consolidation until we get that breakout from somewhere. Dollar 1 hour candle week. The oil is almost about to close the gap. Yeah, so I was gonna look these books. That's it.
Ooh, nice sweet. Let's go.
Yeah, and I mean, for me, it makes sense that gold goes down after sweeping those highs. Then I'm happy. You can do anything after that. But by the way the week open, I think that if it sweeps, for example, the highs from yesterday, previous day high or something, it looks good for a sell.
Yeah.
Right? Because there are also some equal lows around here. And I think if gold makes something like, yeah, it sweeps the highs, that one, then it can go here. And then also maybe yesterday's high and get you the reversal. That's it.
I'm going to get off in about 10 minutes.
least Nikkei is positive. The Shanghai is negative. And the Kospi, it doesn't appear here in this topics. The Kospi, the Korean, is also positive.
Yeah, that actually closed. They had to halt it yesterday because it just got wide.
Yeah, I saw. But that's when gold like start dropping like hell. But then it recovered, I guess, right? It was just panic.
Yeah.
But still is there. It's just that this index has been going up like crazy since the AI start. I mean, I don't know why it's from 7th of April, but such a big thing. Incredible the the crash from COVID. That was insane. How was it, Jimmy? You were trading at that time. Oh, the dollar is going up. Are you there?
Yep.
Look at the. You are not looking my trading view.
I can't.
No, it's okay. No problem. I think you prefer to look the other.
I'll look actually, I'll put yeah, but I think later.
At least, yeah. Now the dollar made a weak in the higher upper part, and then it should continue to drop. But yeah, I hope that actually gold pulls back to this zone. That makes the most sense to me.
I'm gonna get off in about 5 minutes, alright, man?
Okay. Yeah, no problem. I should take profits and go to sleep. And see you.
Well, just set your just move your stop loss up a bit or something, just in case it does go up to Like, where do you think it's gonna take the ties at 46, right?
Yeah, I
spot?
hope. Yeah, I'm gonna take it there, and then I see tomorrow.
And yeah.
Send some picture of the farm.
I did. I sent you a video. There's
I'm
a
gonna
video
look.
on your Telegram. But
Thank you.
That's the
fun.
farm before we bought it, though. That's before we bought it. So
Okay.
That's from 10 years ago. So yeah, that's how big it is. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna head off, okay? I'll
Take
see you in
care.
New York, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna
too.
look the
Okay,
video.
get some
Wow,
sleep,
so
more
cool.
importantly, okay?
Take care. Have a good day.
Get some sleep, yeah?
You too. Bye
Alright,
bye. Bye bye.
see you.
Yeah, I also agree, guys. I was not looking the chat. Sorry. We actually are in a range. Is that my friend from New Zealand, right? Sairuf Chotani. I think I know you. Yeah. We have to get out of here. I think I like buys, but we need to get above this zone. Like, that's what I think. And now we got like a small buy, but we are targeting these highs only. And we could get a possible sweep of these highs or yesterday high and also pullback, right? If we get acceptance above this zone, 4,350, then we can target these highs, which makes sense that gold also comes back to value around here. I think that's what I prefer, if I could choose. I don't know how long ago you sent the message. But yeah, so far we got an entry buy, I think around here, and then we are targeting this. It's not so much, but still waiting. Too many highs together here. That's why I'm targeting that. I think today it could go to 4,300. Yes. I mean, I think that probably London makes something like that, and that would be nice, and then you go up again, something like that. But so far I was looking at the dollar. Yeah, that would be nice. If it sweeps the highs, then reversal, and then you target the lows. But so far I was looking yields. The dollar is dropping, yields is dropping, and oil is dropping. So far looks okay. Temazo. Yeah. You have to listen SoundCloud. There you have like the best soundtracks from DJs underground. And this one is that. Solomon. Legend, right? This guy. Where do you live, Nico? In Santiago de Chile? You told me. Last week I forgot. Las Condes, yeah, now I remember. Good life. I actually go to the swimming pool in Las Condes. And to the sauna. They have a good one. Oh, there we got the candle. Let's go. Finally. And Jimmy is gone. I'm gonna test him. There you have the candle, Jimmy. Yeah, I am still in my buy position and I'm targeting those highs. I want them. Yeah, Soirat, it is you, right? I want to ask Thomas if I can send the link in the community. I need his permission. I'm gonna ask him. Well, I'm gonna be streaming also Asian session tomorrow and every day of this week, so join me, guys. Hopefully we get sniper entries. Sometimes I don't send in Asian session in the other community the entries because sometimes they happen too fast and I feel that the range in Asian session is not so big. Hey, hello. Pura vida. Nice to see you. Yeah, what is actually nice is the south of Chile. I look forward to going. Ay, ay, ay. I need a big candle. I want to get out. I want my take profit there. But the market, it needs patience. I think. How do you see the session? What is your expectation, guys? Let me know in the chat. I just want to say Costa Rica, pura vida, because you have never tell me your name. Yeah, yields are dropping, so that's good for gold. Dollar is also not ripping, at least, and the oil is also dropping. You know that last I think yields were here at this level when Trump started with the tariff stuff. It's a long trip in a long swing and scale in scalp for New York, hopefully. Yeah, I think so. How does the 4 hour looks? Because if you want to swing it. Looks okay, right? If the 4 hour candle starts closing above this, then nice. I agree with you. I wish you good luck. But I want to trade S&P 500 today during the New Year session. It always gives the best moves. Good for you, Nico, that you got in a good position. Yesterday at 5 a.m. New York was the good reversal. I want to make one question. Do you guys hear me well? Because today I was thinking to get this little DG micro. Sometimes I think that the audio is not the best. Especially if I put music or I have other people talking. Just expect your feedback. Okay. Thank you for letting me know. I will get one. Just I was too lazy to go inside the shopping center today. I'm very autistic. I don't like people. Especially if I'm tired. Wow, magnitude 4.9 earthquake in Iran. Yesterday there was a huge earthquake in Philippines. There it goes. I'm happy if it goes to my take profit of the session, then I don't need more. Oh, Yeah, earthquake in Santiago de Chile. Like, it was funny because yesterday with my family we were talking about the earthquakes that we have lived. And then the Philippine earthquake happened. But it has been too long since we don't have an earthquake in Chile, right? When was the last one? Too long ago. But once you live in Chile, then you are a little addicted to adrenaline. Have you lived an earthquake, Nico? Because you are from the US, right? But you live in Chile. Ah, yeah, in 2010. Yeah, that was big also, I remember. And then 2015 we also got one, which was not so big, but still. Me too. I didn't get up of the bed on that earthquake. But in the south of Chile was huge. It was actually very terrible. Because it was the end of the summer and a lot of people were camping. And it was the end of the summer, so everybody was drunk. And then they got this huge earthquake and tsunami, and it was very terrible. And once you live in Chile and you are at the beach, you always leave the shoes ready to run. At least me. I'm always ready to run from the tsunami. Okay, let's go. It just needed some patience, this thing. Allá en Dichato. Beautiful beach, by the way. Nico, you think we are going all the way to 4,400? How is your swing position? Let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish the live stream and I'm gonna see you in New Year's session for trading S&P 500 or maybe gold, if there is something exciting happening. And see you also for Asian session if you want to join me. I'm happy to see you all. Have a good night. Bye.